Hi there. In this training video, we're going to illustrate the steps necessary for trades and engineers to complete seismic bracing work using pre-approved job plans. Note, these installations must be done exactly as outlined in the attached guidelines. If you can't do the installation exactly as indicated in the attached job plan, or if the site conditions don't match, you'll need to stop and go through a formal construction permitting process. Work using these pre-approved job plans are subject to inspection by the campus fire marshal. A portion of these jobs will be spot checked each month. Okay, so there's 4 basic steps. The first one involves confirming the equipment you are about to install is within the scope of the attached pre-approved fire marshal standard detail. If there's not an attached job plan file with tasks already in your EasyMax work order, you're going to need to get the assistance of your supervisor, local facilities manager, or the CSC to help set up the job plan correctly. Number 2, we're going to show you how to complete specific job plan tasks. It's pretty easy. You basically have listed steps, you follow them, and you checkbox them. Number 3, you need to take before and after photos. Number 4, you need to attach your product specifications to the work order. And that's it. Compared to the old process, this is actually a lot more efficient. Okay, so let's go through an example. C548444. So you're going to read through your description. You're going to then check your attachments to see that there is a seismic detail attached to it. And here we have one here for smaller refrigerators, freezers, and similar. You're going to confirm that this matches the job scope. And then you're going to go to the task section here. So first you're going to confirm that site conditions match the standard detail. And then what we're going to do is attach a copy of the equipment specifications. So before we click this, we're going to attach the specifications. So let's go to the attachments section. So we're going to click on attachments. We're going to click on the plus button. And then we're going to choose a file. And in this instance here, I saved these as this file right here. So I'm going to upload this specification and say OK. Now that the file is uploaded, I'm going to go back. And here we have the specification. So once this preview opens here, all the information that a person would need to review this and to install it would be here on this. Okay, let's go back to tasks. We're going to go to tasks and check that section off. So we've attached a copy of the equipment specifications. Now what we're going to do is take and attach our pre-installation pictures. So we're going to go back to attachments. And we're going to click on attachments and then the plus button. And then we're going to choose a file. And imagine this was before and after photos. I don't have both, but you want to at least have a couple here. And so we're going to have our photos. We're going to attach those. We can call this after, so it's easier in the future to find out what this photo is. And we're going to say OK. Okay, so this next step is pretty self-explanatory. You're basically just confirming that you use only the materials listed in the standard detail. This is keeping honest people honest here. What we're going to do is click on that and move on to the next task. Here we have torque tested anchor bolts if applicable. If it's not applicable, go ahead and check it anyway. The goal with this task is to remind yourself in case you forgot that step. Now take and attach post-installation pictures. Just like the pre-installation photo, you're going to put a couple photographs in the attachment section that show the completed job as well as some close-ups of the seismic bracing itself. So you would go to attachments and add that there. At this point, you're going to do is you're going to go to the change status and you're going to change this to complete if you're completed, along with, of course, your labor hours and any communication log or work log entries. Okay, that should do it. I hope this training video is helpful. Thanks for watching.